And now, for the last part of the question, we have to find the velocity at point D. So, and again, we're going to approach this the exact same way that we've been approaching points A and C, points B and C. It's all the exact same thing. So we're going to start off by, again, taking it over here, taking the equation over here. So we're going to say that EKD is equal to E total A minus EGD. And again, we have to go and we have to find EGD all by itself. So that's EGD is equal to MAGHD. And that's equal to our 40,000 kilograms. Multiplied by 9.81 meters per second squared. And then our height at point D is 35 meters. And so once we punch that in our calculator, we're going to get 13,734,000 joules, which is approximately equal to 1.4 times 10 to the 7 joules. Now, next we're gonna apply that to our equation here. So we're gonna say that that's 20. We know that ETA essentially is 2.1 times 10 to the 7 joules. And now we're gonna subtract our EGD, which we calculated to be 13,734,000 joules. Next, we're gonna punch that into our calculator, and we're gonna get 7,455,600 joules. And that's approximately equal to 7.5 times 10 to the 6 with significant figures. So over here we have 2.1. We need to copy that and put that into significant figures. Now for the last part is finding the velocity of D from the kinetic energy. So now we're going to say that, so now we're doing the formula for EKD by itself. And that's going to be equal to 1/2 mvd squared. And again, we need to get D all by itself. So VD is equal to the square root 2 times our 7,455,600 joules. And we're going to divide that by our mass, which is 4.0 times 10 to the 4 kilograms. And that's going to be equal to, when we punch on the calculator, that's going to be equal to 19.3075 meters per second, which is approximately going to be equal to 19 meters per second. So now we have calculated all of our speeds. Speed B, again as a recap, was equal to 28 meters per second. And velocity, guys, velocity, not speed, velocity. Velocity at C is 12 meters per second. And now velocity at D is equal to 19 meters per second. And there you go. That's the end of our question. And throughout all the speeds, it's the exact same process. As a recap, what we do is we do E total A is equal to E total of whatever the speed you're finding. You have to make sure that you get EKB. When you have EKB, you use the equation for the kinetic energy to find the velocity at point B, or whichever point you're looking for, and that's it.